You boys ready for an adventure?
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's get it.
As long as I'm driving my car, dude.
I never let Elijah drive my car with me in it. Never is finished.
Dude, you know what I want to find? My name carved out from the last time I was here.
This is it?
Yeah, I carved it out somewhere here.
Yeah, buddy.
What do you think, Steph?
Dude, I think this is amazing.
Dude, in the morning,
Right?
there's such a sick view off this ledge right here. Bro.
Hey, this is a 180-foot drop off, so be careful, boys. Are you not patient enough to warm it up? No. Open it. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Oh yeah. We're gonna go get some firewood. This way into the forest. Alright guys, so since everything is so wet, I just skinned the bark off this stick and I'm taking the shavings out from the inside. I'm just letting them fall to the ground and then I'm gonna pick them up and we're gonna use them to start the fire. Tea time. So explain what you're about to do, sir.
Alright, so I'm about to hang myself in this hammock for the first time.
Never's been in a hammock before, ever.
So I'm gonna try it out. Okay, low-key, this is hecka comfortable.
How is it?
Dude, this is comfortable.
Alright, let's go see what the boys are up to. It's absolutely dunking it with rain. But we don't give up. We cook our pizza on the fire. Right, David?
Heck yeah.
Nice and toasty, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's good.
Isn't it nice to just sit here and watch David work? There's three things you can look at. You never get tired of: fire, people working, and water. We already have to put in front of us.
He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will abide in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say to the Lord, my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. For he will deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with his pinion, and under his wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness is a shield and buckler.
Okay guys, so this is the setup. We have protection for the night. We've got a slug in the shotgun. Then we have Stefan, who's already asleep. He has a really warm blanket and a down underquilt for a hammock that I just turned into a pretty much like a sleeping bag. And there's David. He's laying on his blanket and a sleeping bag on top. He even managed to bring his pillow up here. Then there's my setup, which is a sleeping bag on an air pad. So we're gonna go ahead and go to sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. How'd you sleep?
Yes, I slept. That was alright.
So we kind of had to improvise for breakfast because we don't want to start a fire. Just
We
not
were
worth,
too lazy to make
not
it
worth our
work.
time. So we're just cooking the hot dogs in the Jetboil propane. It's working pretty good. I already made mine. It's right there. Actually tastes pretty darn good.